In this video, we're going to show you how to download a piece of desktop software that makes it a little easier for you to interact with the cloud drive on your CompuMatter server. Step 1 is to go to the website nextcloud.com. From there, we're going to choose Get Nextcloud in desktop and mobile devices. And here you can have either Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this particular demo, we're going to choose Windows. And that will start downloading a file. When that's done, we'll go ahead and double-click or click on that file and begin the process of installing. We'll just choose defaults in every case. Next, next, next. It'll do its thing. Okay, when that's finished, hit Next and leave Run Nextcloud checked off. And that'll open up this screen where you have to type in the server address provided to you by your server administrator. In our case, it's cloud.companymatter.com. And hit Next. And the username and password that you have been assigned personally by your CompuMatter server administrator. And choose Next. And go with, typically you're going to go with the defaults here. Sync everything. You could change the location of the folder if you had a secondary data drive you prefer to store it on. In this particular case, we're just going to go with the defaults. And choose Connect. And at this point we can open the local folder, because that's what it does. It creates a folder on your computer. And you can see some of the folders from our server. They're actually populating locally in your computer on the fly right now. Once they're built out, we can double click on any one of these folders and we'll in fact see files that were added that also exist on the server. So we can now drop things in this environment locally and they will automatically sync up to the server and vice versa. It works the same way as Google Drive or Dropbox or Microsoft Cloud or any of the different cloud services. Except there's no expense associated with it. It lives on your CompuMatter server. Now if we right-click on the new icon down there, you see an option to open the Nextcloud folder, where you can drag and drop things as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration on how to install the Nextcloud